Students, in this class we are going to learn profit and loss account preparation with some adjustments. Usually we will prepare profit and loss account without adjustment, but in this problem we have profit and loss account with adjustments. This question I have taken from Tamil Nadu Government 11th Standard textbook. Look at the board. From the following particulars presented by Tilak for the year ended 31st March 2017, prepare profit and loss account. So trial balance items are given: gross profit, rent paid, salary, commission received, discount received, insurance paid, interest received, bad debts, provision for bad and doubtful debts, old debtor, building. Now I am going to read the adjustments. Outstanding salary. So we have adjustment with salary. Rent prepaid. Rent paid for 11 months. So we have adjustment for rent. Interest due but not received, rupees 2000. So we have adjustment for interest received. Prepaid insurance, rupees 2000. So we have adjustment for insurance. Depreciate building, we have adjustment for building. We have adjustment for building. Then further bad debts amounting to rupees 3000. So we have adjustment for debtor. And make a provision for bad and doubtful debts 5% on debtor. So we have two adjustment for debtor. Okay, now I am going to solve. Gross profit credited to profit and loss account by gross profit. By gross profit BD, value 1 lakh rupees. Then rent paid, it has adjustment to rent paid. It has adjustment, value 22,000. So I am going to leave one line. If we have adjustment, we have to leave one line. Then salary. To salary, value how much? 10,000. We should write in the inner column since it has adjustment. Then commission credit. Commission credit means commission received. Commission received, no adjustment. We can write in the outer column value 12,000 rupees. Next, discount received credited to the profit and loss account. Discount received credited to the profit and loss account, value 2,000 rupees. Then insurance paid debited to the profit and loss account. To insurance. Insurance paid, it is an indirect expense debited to the profit and loss account. We have adjustment. Interest received. Interest received. We have adjustment for that. So we are going to write in the inner column in credit side of profit and loss account. Bad debts, it is a old bad debts. Bad debts given in the trial balance, we should consider that one as old bad debts, should be recorded in the inner column. We have to leave some lines because new bad debts is there, old provision is there, new provision for bad and doubtful debts also is there. Then debtor not required for the profit and loss account, will use for working purpose, debtor. Then building also we can use for working purpose. Building also we can use for working purpose, value 80,000. Okay, now we have first adjustment. Outstanding salary 4,000. So outstanding salary should be added with the salaries. Salary outstanding, value how much? 4,000. So total 14,000. If we prepare balance sheet, the outstanding salary will be recorded in the liability side. Here we are not preparing balance sheet, so we have to add outstanding salary with the salary. Over. Next, rent paid for 11 months. Rent paid for 11 months. Actually, in a year, there are 12 months. Here we paid rent for 11 months. So 1 month rent is outstanding. Amount is not given. We have to find. Plus rent outstanding. Rent outstanding for 1 month. So they paid 22,000 already. They paid for 11 months. So we have to calculate for 1 month. That is 2,000 is outstanding. 24,000 total. Next, interest due but not received. This means interest earned but not received. Interest accrued. This is nothing but interest accrued. Interest accrued should be added with the interest in the credit side of profit and loss account, and it will appear in the asset side. We are not preparing balance sheet, simply we have to add with the interest received. Then prepaid insurance 2000 we paid for the next year. What we have to do? We have to deduct prepaid insurance value how much? 2000 rupees. We have to deduct from insurance in the debit side of profit and loss account because we paid for the next year. Then depreciate building at 10%. So we are going to reduce the building value 10%. So 8000. So this deducted depreciation should be debited to the profit and loss account. Depreciation on buildings rupees 8000. Next, further bad debts amounting to 3000 and make a provision for bad debts at 5% on debtor. Students, first we have to deduct new bad debts. Bad debts value how much? 3000 new bad debts. So balance 37,000. On that we have to create provision for bad and doubtful debts. New. Provision for bad and doubtful debts new, how many percent? 5% we should create on 37,000. Its value 1,850. So balance 35,550. Now come to profit and loss account. Old bad debts plus new bad debts. Old bad debts plus new bad debts. Old bad debts plus new bad debts. New bad debts value how much? 3,000 rupees. Then what we supposed to do? Add new provision for bad and doubtful debts. New provision for bad and doubtful debts. New should be added, value 1,850. 6,850 minus provision for bad and doubtful debts old given in the trial balance we have to deduct. Where it is provision for bad and doubtful debts old how much? 4,000 rupees. It should be deducted. So balance 2,850. Balance 2,850. Then we have one more adjustment that is called commission received in advance. So we have adjustment for commission. Okay, we should write in the inner column. Commission received. What we supposed to do? Received in advance. We should deduct from concerned income in the credit side of profit and loss account. Commission received in advance should be deducted from commission received in the credit side of profit and loss account, value 2,000 rupees, and it will appear in the balance sheet liability side. Since we are not preparing a balance sheet, we need not to record. Then I am going to balance it. Here the credit side value heavier than debit side. So the credit side value 1,20,000. Bring it to the debit side. Then deduct these expenses. You will get net profit transfer to capital account. Net profit transfer to the capital account. The value already I ascertained 65,150. Okay students, we learned direct preparation of profit and loss account with adjustment. In next class we learn direct preparation of balance sheet with some adjustment. Till then, bye and thank you.